Yo, we all know Toyota is like that reliable friend who always shows up. Never too flashy, but you know they got your back every time. But here's the kicker. Toyota's not the only player in this game of who's the most reliable. Nah, some other brands are creeping up, some even flexing harder. Today, we're diving into the top car brands that can go toe-to-toe with Toyota for reliability. Spoiler, it's not just the usual suspects. Buckle up, fam, we're about to take this for a spin. Let's kick it off with a brand that's low-key been serving reliability goals, Subaru. Yo, if you've ever driven a Forester or Outback, you know what I'm talking about. These rides eat rugged terrain for breakfast. There's symmetrical all-wheel drive, straight fire. It's smoother than that guy trying to slide into your DMs, except it actually works every time. Unlike some AWD systems, Subaru's is built to last. We're talking long-term durability, no drama, no sweat. According to Consumer Reports, these Subarus, whether it's the Forester or the Outback, don't play when it comes to handling tough conditions. So yeah, if you thought Toyota had the off-road game on lock with the RAV4, Subaru's here like, hold my coffee. And before you get all defensive like, but the RAV4. Listen, I love me a RAV4 as much as the next guy, but Subaru's got a rep for less mechanical drama over the long haul. Fewer recalls, more good times on the road, point blank. Subaru's reliability game is strong. They might not be all flashy, but they'll go the distance. Now Mazda. Yo, I get it. Mazda's that brand you maybe overlooked in high school, but they've had a glow up, okay? They're like the quiet kid who came back after summer break with a new haircut, and now everyone's asking, where you been? The CX-5 is out here making Toyota sweat. You'd think the RAV4 is all that, but Mazda's like, don't sleep on me. Real talk, the CX-5 brings the fun-to-drive vibes without sacrificing reliability. They've been killing it in reliability surveys, sliding right up next to Toyota. JD Power, Consumer Reports, they've all got Mazda's back on this one. So while Toyota's out here being predictable, which, don't get me wrong, is dope, Mazda's giving you a little more flavor. You want that reliability, but you also want to feel something when you hit the gas? Mazda's your guy. Alright, I know some of y'all are going to bring up Honda, and you'd be right. Honda's always in the mix when we talk reliability. They've been playing chess, not checkers, when it comes to long-lasting engines. And their secret weapon? VTC, baby. It's like the engine has two personalities. Smooth operator in the city. But when you hit those high RPMs, boom, it wakes up like it just had its morning coffee. Whether it's the Civic or the CR-V going up against Toyota's Corolla or RAV4, Honda's no joke. They've mastered this balance of performance and reliability. Ask anyone who's been driving their Honda Civic since the early 2000s with barely any problems. They'll tell you Honda's got that long-term hustle. Plus, fewer headaches when it comes to repairs. Honda's been low-key flexing with fewer issues in transmission and engine durability over the years. Toyota might be sweating just a little. Now let's talk about the real OG, Lexus. Yeah, I know it's technically Toyota's bougie cousin, but that doesn't mean we can't show it some love. Lexus is out here stunting on the competition with that extra layer of refinement. It's like if Toyota is your everyday fit, Lexus is your designer outfit for special occasions. And yo, I get it. The price tag might make your wallet cry, but you're paying for reliability on a whole new level. That RX, built like a tank. Fewer issues, better tech, and a ride smoother than your favorite slow jam. When you stack it up against the Highlander, it's kinda unfair. Same roots, different execution. Lexus is that bougie but reliable cousin who always knows what to do and looks good doing it. It's like when your cousin rolls up in the ES. You already know they're winning. Sure, it's related to the Toyota Camry, but with premium features that take it to another level. And trust me, that reliability doesn't dip just because you're riding in luxury. Fewer powertrain issues, smoother electronics, and it just looks chef's kiss on the road. So there you have it. Toyota might be the MVP in the reliability game, but it's not the only one on the block. Subaru's rugged game is on point, Mazda's got that fun factor with reliability, Honda's the dependable powerhouse, and Lexus, well, Lexus is just playing in a different league altogether. Each one of these brands can roll with Toyota, and in some cases flex even harder. So next time you're shopping, don't sleep on these names. Toyota may be the safe bet, but these brands are ready to bring the heat too. Now hit that like button, share the video, and let me know in the comments. Are you Team Toyota, or are you ready to switch lanes? Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.